Hello and welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where I keep the linky stuff, like PayPal and Patreon. Thank you. Notification bell because of reasons. And thank you so much for watching. Let's rock. Lay it down, trace it for the door, roof, pin, well, hinges, hinges, lock, and pin it together, done. Pin it and paint it. Take a straight shot across. That's going to leave me wonky on this, but I need another piece. I need two more pieces for the large one. So that's the crooked bit. Not long enough? That's long enough, right? Should have put that up first. There we go. This will pin up just nice. Alright, roof. 1 1/4. If to do. Mock it up before I muck it up. I'm happy with it. Oh, I have to dig a hole and put in a staircase. It's always something. I got to take about a blade width off of that. Inside, score where I'm putting the door. Pull that panel off. First, flip it, mark the roof, shorten the door, dig a door. It's the little things that help. for the sheet of 1/4 inch, not 3/8, 1/4 inch, 2 by 4 foot sheet, BC sanded, for the door and the back and the door on the second piece. Thank you. Thank you. Measure and cut steps. Boy, that door takes up a lot of real estate. You back where you belong. Oh, we'll just call you there. 7 3/4, 7 inches. They're 1.5 inches. Looks about right to me. Doop-a-doop-doop. Then the inside. Painted black. That's there for a reason. Something came out of there, hit me in the cheek. Yay. So, all I have is pen and paint. On a personal note, I had PT this morning, physical therapy. My arm is shot. I'm going to put on an immobilizer pin it down for the rest of the day. Try to sleep it off. That's what meds are for. Quiet dignity and grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things or where I keep my linky stuff. Notification bell because reasons. I try to do other things. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Bye.